Step 1, let's make the crispy wonton cups. For that, we're going to need a package of square wonton wrappers. You can use any brand. Place one wonton wrapper on a flat surface. Then brush a little bit of water in the center. Place another one on top, like this. Press down so that it will stick together. To turn this into a cup, we're going to need a small ladle. You can use a round bottom small ladle or a flat bottom one like the one I have here. What we're gonna do is take this wonton wrapper, wrap it around the ladle, and then place it in the frying oil, and it will firm up and turn into a cup shape like this. Heat the oil to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, and then carefully place the wonton wrapper around the ladle into the oil. Press it all the way to the bottom and then count to 20. Then you can let go. Make sure there is enough oil in the pan so that the wonton wrappers can be submerged completely. Otherwise the shape will deform. It's time to pull them out when it's lightly golden brown like this. It will continue to cook and darken as it cools. Next, let's marinate the chicken. For that, we're going to need 2 teaspoons each of oil, rice wine, and cornstarch, half a teaspoon of salt and sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 teaspoon each of grated or finely minced ginger and garlic. Here are the rest of the ingredients we need for the stir fry. We're gonna need 1 small can of water chestnuts. It's been drained and diced up. It's about 6 ounces of net weight. And then half a cup of green onions diced up. This is about 4 pieces of green onions. For the seasoning of the stir fry, we're gonna need an additional 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce.